Let's begin Teamcenter Engineering Process Management course.
Teamcenter is a PLM software solution from Siemens.
Teamcenter is extensively used across the world in every industry vertical.
Siemens PLM Teamcenter is a very popular PLM solution available in the market. Teamcenter Engineering Process Management course introduces you to the concepts of product lifecycle management (PLM) and working with the multiple modules of Teamcenter software applications.
This course is aimed at the use cases of R&D and design teams. In this course, we will learn, explore, and perform hands-on sessions on various Teamcenter software applications.
Some of the Teamcenter software applications we will work in this course are My Teamcenter, Structure Manager, Classification, TC Visualization, Change Manager, Workflow Viewer. Course objectives. What you are going to learn in this course. We will start with learning basic concepts of product lifecycle management. Then, we will explore Teamcenter application to perform PLM tasks, such as creating and working with parts, items and item revisions.
We will try to organize and manage the created data objects. We will use Structure Manager application to create and manage product structures and configure structures with variants. We will explore classification hierarchy to store and reuse standard product data in product structures.
Then, we will use the Teamcenter Visualization embedded viewer to explore the 3D visualization data and perform operations like measurement, markup, sectioning and so on.
Visualization is a topic in itself. We already have a separate training course on Teamcenter Visualization. Then, we will explore the most important topic, change management. Any organization has to continuously change to be relevant. Even the designs change frequently. We will use workflows to manage changes effectively using Change Manager and Workflow Viewer.
All these, we will explore in single PLM solution, that is Siemens PLM Teamcenter.
Here is the pictorial view of Teamcenter applications. We will start with creating and managing data objects in Data Management and then create Bill of Materials in the Structure Manager. Then we will add variant data, that is creating 150% Bill of Materials using Variant Management. We will utilize Teamcenter Visualization to perform validation, markup, measurement, and sectioning. Once the design is ready, we need to take necessary approvals to release the design for production. All this review and approval process will be handled by workflows. And in this review process, there may be changes requested, and these changes needs to be managed using the Change Manager and Workflow process. Once you complete this Teamcenter engineering course, you will get the following benefits:
understanding and working knowledge of PLM and Teamcenter software solutions especially. You will be able to effectively use the Teamcenter Rich Client to perform the PLM tasks.
Able to create, manage and configure product structures, that is Bill of Materials. You can use the Teamcenter Embedded Viewer to view and modify the 2D and 3D visualization data. You will gain knowledge on classification application from user perspective to store and reuse standard parts. You can submit data to review and approve using the workflows. And you will gain great knowledge on change management models and how to perform change management in Teamcenter.
Overall, you will get a very good perspective of what is Teamcenter and what you can perform using the Siemens PLM Teamcenter applications.
Interested to know details about Teamcenter PLM trainings? Please visit the website on your screen. Explore, learn, and become Teamcenter experts. Best of luck with your Teamcenter trainings.